Hey guys, a bit of a different video today. Today we are prepping my car for a big trip I have coming up. So I'm doing 4 weeks on the road, longest time I've been on the road. So we are packing that. I've got all my camping gear here in the storage cage because I took everything out as I was moving. So I have so much stuff in the back of my car, just like random stuff. So we're gonna start by taking all this out, vacuuming it, and then completely repacking it with a completely new storage system that's going to be hopefully way more functional than how I was doing it. So different one, but a filler content while I'm away, you know. Okay, so now we've got the back vacuumed. Looks much better now. Now we are going to start unboxing stuff, mainly putting the storage boxes in, putting them together, and kind of like configuring how exactly all this is going to fit. Okay, so we're going to need a 45 in there instead of a 20. 42, sorry. I was gonna do cooking that side. What was I gonna do on the other side? I was gonna do something else there that was that needed a 42 liter. What was it? You know what, let's get the fridge in, I think. Okay. Fridge is gonna go there. Oh, I forgot the 2 buckets upstairs. That's okay for now. I'm gonna put a 42 there. I will need a box for my protein shakes because this car can't fit enough food to replace the calories that I'm going to be putting out. So that's what the one over there can be. We'll see when I get it all configured. Haha. Oh, spider there. Okay, so those 2 there. Okay, that's the shoebox. Plates and bowls, we're gonna go there. Which are all upstairs, but that's okay. They would certainly all fit in here. Okay, we're gonna make the 2 more 20s and chuck them in. Okay. I'm gonna put the butane gas in this one. So when it's all set up, we're gonna chuck that there. May as well chuck this there. Shoes, gas, toiletries, food, clothes. May as well chuck that there. Chuck my little shovel there. This is a 110 watt solar panel from Kick-Ass. So we're gonna cut this bad boy open. Now what I'm gonna do with this will be going here. And then the bedding on top of that to protect the glass. All the cables will be here. Grab this bedding out. So it still looks a bit crazy, but everything has a home, which was kind of the point. So I can kind of accept this messiness because at least everything does technically have a home. And the awning rods can just go here. Look, it's still dysfunctional. Well, it's not as dysfunctional, okay? That's my reasoning. You know, I've got my water, which I do have a tap to, which I can attach and unattach. I should probably attach that before I forget about it. So we've got clothes, food, fridge, freezer, mats, shoes, toiletries, bowls, cups, plates, yada yada, gas, frying pan and pot over there, shower here, battery right there, solar panel to then charge the battery, and then we've got amp, Anderson cables. That's everything. Obviously I still need to chuck in the bowls and plates and all that, but that's kind of whatever at the second. Okay guys, as I said, this is a bit chaotic, but everything has a home. Before, nothing really had much of a home. So I'm much happier with this setup. You know, everything has a home. Now I'm just gonna chuck everything in the bin and go and grab the cups and plates, give them a wash and chuck them down here. But that is it for this week's episode. Now, when this uploads, I am actually actively on the road, so that'll be fun. I think I'll be in like week 2 of my trip. I think, around there. Week and a half, week 2, something like that. But either way, adventure away. I'm going to have so much content. It's going to be insane. I'm seeing so many amazing places and I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this week's episode. Don't forget, if you like this type of content, while this isn't my usual content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!